Feeling the pressure to boost your online reputation with glowing Google reviews? Before you consider shortcuts, let's talk about why creating 100 Gmail accounts for potentially faking Google reviews is a really bad idea. Google's review system is designed to be authentic. Manipulating it with fake accounts can lead to serious consequences. While it's technically possible to create multiple Gmail accounts, doing so solely for the purpose of writing fake reviews violates Google's terms of service, and trust me, they have ways of detecting this kind of activity. Google has sophisticated algorithms that can identify suspicious review patterns, such as multiple reviews coming from the same IP address or similar writing styles. If caught, your reviews could be removed, your business listing penalized, and your reputation severely damaged. Instead of risking it all with fake reviews, focus on building a genuine reputation by providing excellent customer service, actively soliciting feedback from real customers, and addressing negative reviews constructively. Encourage satisfied customers to leave honest reviews. You can do this by sending follow-up emails, offering incentives for feedback, or simply asking in person. Genuine reviews are far more valuable and will build long-term trust with potential customers. Remember, a strong online reputation is built on honesty and transparency. Focus on providing a great experience, and the positive reviews will follow.